Look at this question. A simple 10th class exam question, but having a beautiful trap. The trap is we have to find the value of k, and when we find the value of k, we get two values. And both these values will give you the area as 28 square units when you use the shoelace formula to compute. When you use the shoelace formula to compute, both these values will give you the exactly the same area. Then which one to choose? For sure, definitely both of them are not correct. And most of the board guides and channels overlook this. But it's a very, very important concept in mathematics, that is modulus, and hope you would have guessed it by this time. If not, just let's deep dive into the video and know the core concept of mathematics. Fine, now let's proceed to unveil the trap. Since the vertices are taken in order, we can just plug in the values in shoelace formula and start computing the area. See, half of minus 3k 3 minus 2 2 3. And do you know why we are again plugging in my x1 y1? We are just complete the loop. We started from one A to B, B to C, C to D, and then we have to come to D to A, then only our loop is complete. So what we are given is 28 square units. What is that square, 28 square units? See, this one is minus 4k plus 6 plus 9 minus 4 minus half 6 plus 3k minus 4 minus 12 equals 28. So we have what we have, half of minus 4k plus 11 minus of 3k minus 10 equals 28. So we have further half of 4k minus 4k plus 11 minus 3k plus 10 equals 28, all within modulus. Be very, very careful. This is the formula. Don't ever change the formula for your convenience. So half of minus 7k plus 21 equals 28, or we have within modulus 7k plus 21 equals 28 into 2 or multiplied by 2, which is equal to 56. We have come up to this. So having found up to this 7k plus 21 within the modulus, no? Modulus 7 minus 7k plus 21 is 56. Here is many people, many good teachers and channels overlook. I don't know why it is so, but they have just overlooked. Don't simply write minus 7k plus 21 is equal to 56 and solve. That this is totally wrong. Never do this. Never do this. So within modulus means there are two possibilities. Always when you are having a value within the modulus, for example, we will take this case. See what this is 56 now. So this minus 7k plus 21 can be minus 56 also. Yes, no? So, and it can be plus 56 also. So we have to evaluate minus 7k plus 21 for two possible values. One is 56 and another is minus 56, and we have to validate one. By validating one, we are eliminating the others, not like just like that doing. Don't do like that. So how to do it? So we have first, let's take minus 7k plus 21 equals 56. So this gives us minus 7k equals 56 minus 21, which is equal to 35, or k equals 35 over minus 7, which is equal to minus 5. This is one value. So another value is minus 7k plus 21 equals minus 56. This implies minus 7k equals minus 56 minus 21 or which is equal to minus 77. Therefore, k equals minus 77 over minus 7 which is equal to 11. So we have two values, k equals 11 and or you can say, you don't say and 11 or minus 5. See, if you just put these values in the place of x and and use the Shoelace formula and calculate the area, you will exactly get 28 square units. Absolutely. Then how to choose 11 or minus 5? See, if 11 gives some other value and minus 5 gives some other value, then we can understand or accept this. Absolutely same. No, just see, for example, we just use this. I am just giving that hint only. Minus 4, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, then 3, minus 2, 2, comma 3. It is there, and we have minus 4, minus 2, minus 3, 11, 3, minus 2, 2, minus 3, 2 and 3. See, both will give area of 28 square units. Taking in the same order, it will give 28 square unit only. Then how do we really decide about which is correct? Here only, the geometry comes. Don't all never take that shoelace formula standalone. Always use in tandem with geometry. Please draw a graph. Generally, when you are given the vertices, what will you do? You draw a graph and then find the order in which it has to be done. At times, they may not give in order. So, in this case, a missing value is given. You cannot plot the graph before proceeding to find the area. We are actually essentially doing the reverse engineering. From the area, we are going back, and that's why we get two values. So, then how to find is just sketch a graph based on these two. Though both of them will give 28 square units, one will give you a quadrilateral, another will give you, that's also called an self-intersecting quadrilateral, but it's out of school syllabus. That will give you a figure which is not a quadrilateral. So let me show it that to you. See, this is what it is. You see, when k is minus 5, we are getting a quadrilateral, and when k is minus 11, we are getting some other figure, which is not a quadrilateral. It's right simply. So what do you say? Geometry checks the figure using the given order of the vertices. Therefore, k is minus 5. See, this is how we should actually conclude a question. Just don't randomly just take just. Only thing is that in the textbook it is given as minus 5. You are doing like that. Don't never use. Suppose they trick you a little bit, also will fall. When modulus means follow the modulus, there will be two values. Two values are algebraically correct. They will yield the same area, but they will not construct the same shape. So then after getting the values, you just plug the missing value into the vertices and draw the graph and finally see which is a valid one. So the algebraically it is correct, and algebra ensures correctness, and we can conclude that geometry validates the correctness of or validates the shape rather. Both are correct, geometry validates. So hope you would have enjoyed this video. For more such concepts, just subscribe and stay tuned. And thanks a lot for watching. More and more intriguing videos will follow, and stay tuned.